I was able to have my most expensive purchase after passing the board exam. Worth it pa ba na makapasa ng board exam? Or maybe sukuan mo na lang. Total kahit makapasa ka ng board exam or hindi, makakahanap ka rin ng trabaho, di ba? Well, kung ako ang tatanungin, wag na wag mong sukuan ng board exam. Kasi when you're looking for a job, especially your first job, there's a significant difference between sa rates ng sahod ng non-passer and ng board passer. And unless na may mamanahin kang yaman from your parents that would make the rates insignificant, then by all means, don't give up on passing the board exam. After 6 months na pag-iipon, nakabili ako ng laptop na gustong-gusto kong gamitin para sa pag-vlog. Kasi there's always this feeling na gustong-gusto kong mag-share ng thoughts and experiences ko, how I was able to pass the Certified Public Accountant Licensure Examination here in the Philippines. That's why pagkatapos ko makapasa ng board exam, I decided na mag-ipon para makabili ng equipment and to make better content na makaka-inspire sa ibang CPA aspirants just like you. I am also planning to make accounting tutorials na makakatulong sa mga CPA aspirants na mas maintindihan ang mga subjects, and also I will share tips and advice on how to pass the board exam even when I am just a pure online reviewer and have very limited budget. Inabot ng 6 months bago ako nakaipon ng pera para makabili ng laptop na gagamitin ko for my vlogs. And bago ako bumili, inaral ko muna kung ano-ano bang specs ang hahanapin ko para sa desired laptop ko. And here's what I found. Number 1, price should be less than 50,000. Number 2, it should have at least 16 gigabytes of RAM. Number 3, it should have 512 gig SSD for internal storage. Number 4, it should be i5 and above. Number 5, it has a dedicated video or graphics memory. Number 6, it should have 144 Hz refresh rate. And lastly, it should be able to handle Photoshop and CapCut simultaneously. And the laptop that fit those criteria was HP Victus 15FA1447PX, that is RTX 4050 with 16GB of RAM and 512GB SSD. Kung interested ka sa kompletong specs niya, ito yung full specs niya dito sa picture. So, let's go to the unboxing. Hey guys, so in this video, I'm gonna show you the laptop na nabili ko sa Laptop Factory. I've been wanting to have this laptop since June or August pa, and it's only this day, December 29 na nakabili ako kasi it took me 6 months to save some money to buy this laptop for my vlog. And look at this, from Laptop Factory Naga. It's worth and I'll show you it in the end. I'll tell you at the sasabihin ko at the end of this video. So ito yung free na bag, and then and ito yung lalagyan niya. Wala siyang freebie na bag, so ito lang yung kasama ng nabili. So let's open it. Okay, gilid natin to. Then, cutter. Kuha tayo ng cutter. Saan yung cutter? Here. Okay, so ito pala yung box niya. Look at this. It's 15 and 15.6 inches. So, yan, medyo may kabigatan siya and malaki siya, guys. Tamang-tama for my video editing journey. Okay, so I'm opening it na. Ba't magbubukas ka lang kasama yung bibig, nagre-react yung ngabil? Yan. So excited to open this one. Here we go. It's almost done. So yun. Ganito siya. Nakalagay sa box. And then let's pull it out. Charan! So ito, may kasama siyang charger. Ito yung charger niya. Malaki and mabigat. Around maybe 1 kilo ata. I don't know. Tapos ito yung user manual. And then yung connector sa charger. Okay, so ito yung box. So may tray siya ng itlog. So yun. Baba natin. Then, so as you can see, nakabalot siya dito. Plastic. Mabigat siya. Siguro mga nasa 5 kilos ata to. So, yan. Look at the surface. Okay, buksan natin. HP Victus. HP Victus 15.6 inches and 16 gigabytes ang RAM niya. And RTX 4050 may 6 gig dedicated VRAM. So yan. May cover din yung keyboard niya. Look. Aray. Gayon. So look at this. Ito yung sa back portion niya. As you can see, maganda yung design niya and may mga nakasulat H Victus. Yan. And then kung makikita mo tong logo niya, yung V, parang may reflection. So excited to use this one. And then, tchanan! And then we'll open it. So, ang power on button nyo pala guys is ito, nasa kasama ng mga keyboard. I-zoom natin mamaya. And then, I'll open it para makita nyo kung ano yung gaano kaganda pag nag-open siya. Baka long press. Yun. Siya. Let's wait. Tingnan nyo, may letter V. Parang pang gaming talaga. Actually, gaming laptop talaga ito. 512 gigabytes pa lang SSD niya. Yun. So yun. Tingnan nyo yung keyboard guys. Napaka ganda ng font and parang pang gaming talaga. And as you can see, may numlock siya. So typical na laptop wala siyang numlock. So medyo hassle siya pag pipindot ka ng number. And then look. Ang angas ng design. Yeah. And then we'll try to check the sound kung malakas. And let's play this music from YouTube. Nice. By the way, girlfriend ko pala yan. Channel niya. Okay, so try natin kung mabilis din yung maganda yung haptics. Yan, so see ang bilis ng response. And by the way, when you purchase this laptop, there's also a Microsoft lifetime access to Microsoft Office 2021 if I'm not mistaken. So napakaganda naman. No lags. 16 gig RAM yan eh. Yun. So that's all. Ganda ng tunog. Boom. Close na natin tong document. Don't save. Muna. Stop muna. So, maybe try natin siyang i-connect sa internet para makita natin kung gaano kabilis yung pag-process niya sa internet. So, okay, so kakatapos lang i-connect sa internet tong laptop and we'll see kung mabilis din siyang mag-load or if may lag. And YouTube. Yan, tingnan natin. youtube.com, enter. Loading. Yun. Medyo malayo-layo kasi kami sa router pero look. No lags. Diba? Yun. So ang bilis niyang mag-connect sa internet. And as you can see, yung keyboard, maganda. Pang gaming talaga yung keyboard niya. So far, satisfied naman ako sa purchase ko and I'm so excited to start making vlogs and content related sa accounting and business and random things siguro. Maybe I'll give advice for how to pass the board exam and how I was able to overcome all the struggles I've had before passing. So yun. HP Victus. So ang price niya is drumroll it's 48,995 pesos. And it took me 6 months to have enough money to buy this one, and super satisfied naman ako so far, and I'm so excited to explore this laptop and see what I can do to upgrade my edits and level up everything from thumbnail, Photoshop, CapCut. So excited, guys. Bye-bye. Peace.
Isip mo,
Hmm.
kinakoy ka nagpaparasilong. Pangalan, mix
Mamala yan.
Okay, so, anong part ka dito? Bloopers. It's still rolling. The video is still rolling.
Hmm.
So, I'm gonna use this. Naka-on na ba to?
Oo.
Yo, mic test, mic test.
So
Makikiplag
funny.
din ako, guys, pero I will just be behind the camera. Support lang. Behind or in front of the camera?
In front probably.
Okay. Hello, mic test. Uy, feeling vlogger! Oh my God! This is so exciting. Ang ganda ng microphone niya, guys.
So by the way,
He told me that he bought this for 800 pesos, but less. 500 pesos kasi first time niyang mag-avail ng SPay.
pay later. Yeah, right.
Yes, ang cute oh. One for me and one for Rachel. I don't know. Pero yan maganda siya.
So ito yung
Gusto
box
niyo ba-
niya.
Guys, gusto niyo ba ng review? Maybe you can buy this wireless microphone too. Ang daldal ko, vlog ko ba to? Oh my God. This is so exciting. Good luck!
Bye-bye.
Good luck! Heart, 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 cute! Fighting, love you!
Maybe.